welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 4th of August. In the European morning, we've seen equities move to the downside as investors took a step back after yesterday's good gains. As a result, fixed income did take a bid, with T-notes moving higher to pare back some of yesterday's downward move to print highs at 116.19. However, worth noting, following some good pending home sales data out of the US, T-notes have moved lower to test their lows of the day. Elsewhere, the dollar index has been relatively subdued today, lingering around the unchanged mark throughout the European morning. Euro-dollar and cable have been showing some choppy price action as well. In terms of WTI, price action has been to the downside today on concerns that the recent run-up in prices has been premature and not supported by fundamentals, especially as tomorrow's DOE crude oil inventories data is expected to show yet another build in stocks. In macro news today, the Obama administration has released data on program to stem foreclosures. Obama administration has asked servicers to boost loan modifications, whilst the US Treasury says housing program to help 3 to 4 million homeowners over 3 years. On the US equity front, today we've seen a steady stream of US companies report, with the majority again beating their earnings estimates. Also in equity news, worth noting, Pepsi, they've said they're to pay $7.6 billion to acquire bottlers. The deal is said to consist of half cash and half stock. Elsewhere, Caterpillar company says targeting $6 to $10 EPS by 2012, and sees better profit than in 2009. Merck, according to Sanford Bernstein company, could significantly reshuffle its most senior executives within the next few weeks. Also, on the US economic data front today, we've seen PCE numbers come in largely in line. However, PCE deflator was lower than expectations. And most recently, we've seen pending home sales rise 3.6% in June, which was way above the mean estimate. This was a fifth straight gain and the first time in 6 years. Some analysts say the combination of lower mortgage and financing rates are luring consumers back into the housing market. In terms of where we currently stand in the US indices, S&P 500 seen around flat on the session, Dow down 0.25%, Nasdaq Composite down around 0.4. Looking ahead, we'll be looking out for the API inventory numbers after market today, as well as that aftermarket earnings from Craft and Electronic Arts.